In this video, I am going to reveal an invisible $28 billion industry that you could take advantage of to start making money online. We're going to talk about the keywords, we're going to talk about the monetization opportunities, and I'm going to show you examples of small websites and YouTube channels that are already doing this. So if you want to take advantage of this hidden $28 billion industry, make sure you watch this entire video. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. All right, guys, so as I mentioned, I found a $28 billion industry that is basically hiding right underneath your nose. We're going to take a look at some keywords. We're going to take a look at websites that are already doing this, and I'm going to show you how you can get into this industry and take advantage of some of the $28 billion that's out there. So if we take a look, as you can see right on Google, $28 billion, we can take a look at this website here. This website is doing it. This website makes about $14,000 per month. And this YouTube channel, you can see it's a tiny YouTube channel, 291 subscribers. Their video got 4.6 thousand views. If we look into their channel a little bit closer, you're going to see they're getting a bunch of views. You can also do this exact same thing over on TikTok. You can see on TikTok, the views are ranging between 12.1, 17,000 views and more. But wait, you can also do this exact same thing over on Pinterest. Now you can see that there are tons of Pinterest pins, and what people are doing is they are creating Pinterest pins that are leading them to a website, and they're monetizing in a few different ways. For example, this website's monetizing with ads. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, they're monetizing with affiliate marketing and also with email marketing. So I'm sure by now you're wondering, what industry am I actually talking about? I'm actually talking about subscription boxes. Yes, you could make very good money as a person that creates content about subscription boxes. First, let's take a look at all of the keywords that are associated with subscription boxes. For example, there's 13, almost 14,000 keywords, and it's searched over 254,000 times per month. Now, what are subscription boxes? Basically, someone is going to sign up, whether it's for men's grooming, it could be for apples, it can be for beer, you'll actually see on here. And every single month, they're going to get something new. As long as they're a subscriber or a member, they're going to get shipped or sent something brand new that they can use or try out or even give away. But if we look at this, we can see subscription boxes for women. People are looking up clothing subscription boxes for kids, best subscription boxes. These are all different keywords that people are looking up. And they're looking it up thousands of times per month. Look at this one. Best makeup subscription boxes. That searched 1.5 thousand times per month, and it has a keyword difficulty of 6. If we take a look here, you can see that this is a pretty good keyword to write on. One keyword that I found, if we take a look, is clothing subscription boxes for women. If we scroll down, we're going to see that a relatively small website called findsubscriptionboxes.com is ranked on the first page of Google. Now, if we take a look at this website, you can see this website isn't great. You know what I mean? This is something that you could write and do yourself. Put together a list of the 5 or 10 best subscription boxes for women that involves clothing, and you could potentially outrank this website. Now, what we can do is we can actually take a look at this website as a whole and look at all of the different keywords that they rank for, and that's going to give us an idea of more blog posts that we could write or YouTube videos that we could create. Now, if we look at this, you can see that they have a traffic value of $11,000 per month. Now, the traffic value is based on the ads that are placed on here, but we're going to talk about some affiliate marketing opportunities that could potentially help you make more money. They rank for 14,000, almost 15,000 keywords. And if we look at some of these keywords, you can see that they are relatively non-competitive. Now, what you'd want to do, and we're going to talk about the type of content to create in a second, you want to pick and choose the subscription boxes or the keywords that would make sense for you, pull them out, and then discard this and go on to the next video or blog post. But you can see that this actually works out very well. This website here, mysubscriptionaddiction.com, ranks for thousands of keywords. Once again, we're going to copy it. We're going to paste it in just like this. And a lot of these keywords are low competition. My Subscription Box is the name of the website. Kiwi Crepe, that's the name of one of the subscription boxes, but you can see book subscription boxes. These are all different keywords that you could potentially write on. You can either write on them, you could make a YouTube video, you could do a TikTok with the 5 best book subscription boxes of 2023. You could create Pinterest pins that go back to your blog post or YouTube channel. There are tons of opportunities. For example, we're just going to copy book subscription boxes. We're going to place it right into YouTube so you can see that people are in fact searching this. So if we paste it in just like this, hit enter, and look at this, my biggest unboxing yet. 17,000 views, 40,000 subscribers, 3,000 views, 25,000 subscribers. You can see that there is subscribe. Look at this one, comparing the most popular book subscription boxes, 64,000 views, 2,000 subscribers. So this should tell you that if you're brand new to this niche, you can still get into it and potentially make money. While we're here, we can do some other types of content. For example, we could compare 2 different types of subscription boxes, subscription box services. People are always looking for that. For example, if we took Wixbox, which is a candle subscription service, and we just did Wixbox versus anything that pops up are going to be competitors, and you could actually create content. Now, it doesn't look like Wixbox has direct competitors, but what we can see is that people are creating content about Wixbox and they're getting views. Look at this. 2,000 views for Wixbox luxury candle subscription. What we can do is we could hop over to Google, type in Wixbox versus, and then you could potentially see, once again, if there are competitors or people are writing on these. So I think there are tons of opportunities out there for you to be successful. Now that we see that there are lots of keywords, let's talk about how we could monetize. One of the best ways to monetize would simply be with affiliate marketing. Now, if we look at this, Beer Drop, which is a subscription service for beer, they will actually pay you, I believe it's $10 for every new sign up, and you can get a commission. Another one, for example, is Wixbox that I mentioned. They're going to pay you $10 commission on all renewing subscription box sales. Coupon sites earn $5 per subscription order, earn an additional 10% commission on all non-subscription boxes. Now, what you can do is you can come up to Google and you can type in subscription box affiliate programs, and you're going to see a bunch of these affiliate programs that are out there that you could take advantage of. So maybe you create you've got a few options, really. You could create a website dedicated to a certain niche of subscription boxes, for example, subscription boxes for men. And then inside of that niche, you could do holiday subscription boxes for men, best gift ideas, subscription, things of that nature. Or you can make a larger site like this website, mysubscriptionaddiction.com, and you could be an affiliate for multiple affiliate programs. Cratejoy has one, for example. There's a number of websites that have actually created a list of the 10 or so best subscription box affiliate programs, and you can create this content. So hopefully you see that there are lots of opportunities still in 2023. This niche, as I mentioned, is $28 billion. And there are tons of keywords that you can jump on. And there are going to be new keywords that you can jump on every single day. What we can also do, just to show you that this will work, is we can type in something like best subscription boxes ourselves. We're going to go over to this one that we've been to a few different times. Okay, BoxyCharm. Let's check and see if people are creating content about BoxyCharm. So I can take this keyword, come back over to our keyword research tool, go up to Keywords Explorer once again, and I'm going to paste in BoxyCharm. Now people are looking up like BoxyCharm reviews, BoxyCharm unboxing, BoxyCharm versus whomever their competitors are. Now look at this, BoxyCharm September 2021. So that tells you that people are creating content or looking up information about the most recent BoxyCharm subscription box delivery. So if you wanted to, you could join BoxyCharm and you could simply create content every single month about the different subscription boxes that you receive. You can then create individual pieces of content talking about the different products that you've received within the BoxyCharm subscription boxes. But you can see here, BoxyCharm reviews. If we go over to YouTube, we can type in BoxyCharm like this. Look at this. So people are looking up, as I mentioned, BoxyCharm versus Ipsy. That's probably their competitor. You are going to talk about the strengths and weaknesses and the pros and cons of each. And then you can see that these are generating thousands, tens of thousands, and hundreds of thousands of views. Then you can do BoxyCharm March 2023. We are in September, so let's try September 2023 like this. Top result, 5.6 thousand views, 5.9 thousand views. Now you can do this if you're a man, you're a woman. You could do kids subscription boxes. That's always a good one. But you can see there are tons of views in this space. If we look at this channel here, subscription boxes for men, they're actually doing a really good job creating information about subscription boxes. It looks like they haven't uploaded in a while, but if they got up and running, they could probably start getting views again. So again, undiscovered niche, untapped, untalked about niche is subscription boxes. You simply will identify the different keywords that people are looking up and asking, whether it's comparing two different subscription boxes, whether it's doing an unboxing every single month. You simply will create that content, and then you can make money with ads, whether it's on YouTube, TikTok, or on your blog. You can make money with affiliate marketing. You can even make money putting together your own digital or physical product. Heck, you could make money with your own subscription box service. So just real quick, let's say you were doing makeup subscription boxes, you're creating content. You could actually put together your own makeup subscription boxes and then send them out of your house. Eventually, if you get big enough, you could start hiring people to do it. But there is lots of opportunity in this niche. It's just important for you to take action. Always know that whenever you start an online business, nothing is going to happen right away. It takes consistency and persistence over a sustained period of time for you to start seeing any success. If you are consistent long enough, you can be as successful as you want. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.